Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of robot lawnmowers with the Kress Mission Nano 600. This compact and capable lawnmower promises to tackle tricky-shaped gardens with ease. But is it worth the investment? Let's find out. If you have a garden or green space, you probably own a lawnmower. And you might have even considered upgrading to a robot lawnmower to save time and effort. Well, the Kress Mission Nano 600 is here to make your life easier. Designed for smaller lawns and unconventional spaces, this robot lawnmower stands out among its competitors. One of the standout features of the Kress Mission Nano 600 is its ability to cover areas up to 600 square meters, which should be more than sufficient for most homeowners. If you have a garden like mine, with an odd shape and plenty of obstacles, this machine is the perfect fit. Its power and smart navigation technology make it ideal for tackling tricky terrain. Visually, the Kress Mission Nano 600 is a cool-looking device with bold red, white, and black components that exude a sense of purpose. Setting it up is a breeze, as it's a plug-and-play machine with one-touch button simplicity. The intelligent navigation technology ensures efficient mowing, and the side trim technology allows the mower to reach those pesky edges often missed by other models. The Kress Mission Nano 600 offers additional features like multi-zone mowing and smartphone control via an app. You can even connect via Bluetooth if your Wi-Fi signal is weak outdoors. When it comes to cutting, the forward and reverse rotating blades sound promising. Safety is always a concern with robotic devices, but the Kress Mission Nano 600 has you covered. The blades automatically stop if anyone lifts the mower, providing reassurance in case curious onlookers decide to interfere. Additionally, the rain sensor makes it suitable for unpredictable weather conditions. Now, let's address a few drawbacks. One thing to note is that the Kress Mission Nano 600 requires some groundwork before mowing. If you have stones or doggy-doo on your lawn, you'll need to remove them to avoid damaging the razor-sharp blades. Additionally, Kress advises against cutting overly long grass with this model, and suggests using another mower for a quick pass before using the Nano 600. Once you've prepared your lawn and familiarized yourself with the machine, the Kress Mission Nano 600 is truly impressive. Its robust design, chunky controls, and overall durability give it a feel of longevity. However, it's important to handle the blades with care, as they are sharp and can be easily damaged on anything but a pristine lawn. Now, let's talk performance. We tested the Kress Mission Nano 600 on a lawn that hadn't been cut for about 6 months, and it managed to handle even the thickest grass with ease. The blades glided through without any issues, and we were pleasantly surprised by its ability to navigate around obstacles. The only caveat is that the mower doesn't collect cuttings, so for the first cut of the year, you might need to rake the grass afterward. In conclusion, the Kress Mission Nano 600 is a great little robot lawnmower that lives up to its promises. It's best suited for well-maintained lawns that are trimmed regularly. If you can afford the investment, this compact model is definitely one of the best options on the market. That wraps up our review of the Kress Mission Nano 600 robot lawnmower. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.